Ayan, it's been ages since we last met. How have you been?
I know, right? I've been caught up with work and life, but things are good. What about you?
Same here. Life has been a roller coaster. So, tell me, what's new with you?
Well, I've been thinking about starting my own business. I feel like this is the right time to do something of my own.
That's amazing. What kind of business are you planning?
Something related to digital marketing or maybe an online store. You know, everything is going digital now.
That's a smart move. Online businesses are booming these days. Have you started planning yet?
A little bit. I've been watching YouTube tutorials, reading blogs, and learning about marketing strategies.
That's great. You've always had an entrepreneurial mindset. I'm sure you'll do well.
Thanks, Hina. And what about you? Any new goals or plans?
Well, I've started focusing on my fitness. I recently joined a gym, and I'm also trying to eat healthier.
That's awesome. I've been thinking about working out too, but I always procrastinate.
Haha, trust me, I was the same. But now that I've started, I feel so much better.
Maybe I should start as well. I sit all day in front of my laptop, and it's not doing me any good.
Exactly. Exercise keeps you active and helps with mental clarity, too.
You're right. I really need to make some lifestyle changes.
Small steps, Ayan. Even a 30-minute walk daily can make a big difference.
I'll keep that in mind. By the way, have you been traveling anywhere recently?
No, but I really want to. I was thinking about planning a trip soon.
Where do you want to go?
Maybe Turkey or Thailand? I love exploring new cultures.
That sounds amazing. Let's plan a trip together. It'll be fun.
That would be awesome. We could explore, try new foods, and take lots of pictures.
Definitely. Traveling gives you the best memories.
Exactly. So tell me, besides work, what else are you up to?
I've started reading books on self-improvement. I realized I was spending too much time on social media.
That's a great decision. What book are you reading now?
Atomic Habits. It's about how small changes can bring big results.
Oh, I've heard about it. I should read it too.
You definitely should. It's really inspiring.
I will. By the way, do you still play guitar? You were so good at it.
Not really. I got too busy with work, but I miss it.
You should start again. Music is such a great stress reliever.
You're right. Maybe I'll pick it up again.
You should. Life isn't just about work. You need to enjoy your passions too.
That's true. I think we both have exciting plans ahead.
Yes, let's keep pushing forward and supporting each other.
Agreed. And let's seriously plan that trip.
For sure. But first, let's order some dessert. I'm craving something sweet.
Me too. Let's do it.